We live in a world today that we cannot afford for students to think that they're not good at math or they don't like science. We live in a STEM-enabled world, so it's more important than ever that we help students get excited about and prepared early on in real-world, relevant educational experiences.
So even though there's a problem here, or you're not sure how to solve it, or you have a question, and can you go through the steps again? Can you see where the mistake happened? Can you actually help it solve?
I like PLTW because it's not straight paper, pencil, book work. I get to teach the kids something, give them some notes, make them understand something, then they practice, and then we actually apply what they've learned.
Something that I'm really proud of is that I get to develop my learning skills and my thinking skills and my social skills as we're working in a group.
So my future career, I would love it to be in biomedical engineering. I love being able to be in the medical field while also having that hands-on work and being in the STEM field.
What Project Lead the Way is doing is it's inspiring the next generation to come and be a part of what we're all about.
When you have students who become self-directed, motivated learning, it can change everything for that young person. And when you do that, you change things for the family and for the community.
We need people to come in and be inspired to come build roads and bridges and airports, to figure out how to do clean energy, to really inspire innovation in the learnings that happen here and now. For these students will create a mindset of future innovators.